Problem number 1. The following particulars are available. The following let us take it on new page. The following particulars are available in respect of the business carried by Mr. Mahesh they have given carried by Mr. Mahesh. Instead of Mahesh आपको एग्जाम में कोई भी नाम आ सकता है या प्रॉब्लम भी अलग ही आएगा, सेम प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 है ये. सो फर्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन. कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड ₹50,000. Number 2, trading results trading results we have to shown as a profit in rupees. Okay, so here we have to write the year 2014-15. Amount given is 2014-15. Profit amount given is 25,000. Then 2015-16. Next year है हमारा 2015-16. The amount given is 20,000. 2016-17. 4,000 loss. It is 4,000 into bracket. It's a loss, not profit. Next 2017-18. 4,000 लॉस हो गया. 2017-18 40,000 profit. Okay. Number 3 is given. Information number 3 is given that normal rate of return is 10%. Normal rate of return is 10%. Number 4, the remuneration from alternative employment. Remuneration from alternative employment of the proprietor into bracket if not engaged in business ₹4,000 per annum, and you have to compute the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchased of super profit. 3 years purchase of super profit. See, directly super profit का sum दिया है देखो यहाँ पे. Okay, so as this is your question. Okay, now we are going to solve this question. Okay, what we are going to do, we have to do it stepwise. Okay, compute the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. So what will be the value of goodwill? First write down the formula. Goodwill equal to super profit into number of years purchased. Okay, now in this case super profit, in this case goodwill equal to super profit we have to calculate, but we know the number of years purchase. There is number of years purchase is 3. Okay, leave one or two lines if possible, मेरे साथ solve करो. Leave one or two lines for calculation of goodwill and let us calculate super profit now. As a working note, let us calculate super profit. So what will be the formula for super profit? Super profit equal to future maintainable profit minus normal profit. Future maintainable profit minus normal profit. Okay, now we don't know the future maintainable profit and we also don't know the normal profit, so leave again 2-3 lines. Follow the same step, it will be easy for you. So let us calculate future maintainable profit. Future maintainable profit. Okay, here first of all we have to calculate average profit. Average profit. Okay, for calculation of future maintainable profit, first we have to calculate average profit. So what is the formula for average profit? Formula for average profit is total profit divided by number of years. Average profit equal to let us calculate the formula first for average profit. Average profit equal to okay, that's it. Average profit equal to total profit. If there is a loss, we have to minus it. Total profit divided by number of years. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the average profit. So that is equal to, okay, again we have to insert the formula. Okay. Now I am going to make the calculation of total profit. In total profit, what we are to be consider 25,000. Okay, plus 20,000. Then third one is loss, correct? So minus 4,000. Loss is given 4,000 plus 40,000. Now all of you have a calculator. Just make the total of this plus 40,000 and divided by how many years? Yes, total years are given 4. So calculate it now. Make the total. Make the total 25,000 plus 20 minus 4 plus 40. How much will be the total? Calculate and tell me. 25,000 plus 20, how much? 45. 45 plus 40, 85. 85 minus 4. 85 minus 4, 81, correct?
81.
Huh?
81.
81,000. So it will be 81,000 divided by 4. Okay? Divided by 4. So calculate what will be the average profit?
20,250.
20,250. Okay, let us write
50.
here 20,250. Okay, now as per your formulas, check Future maintainable profit. How to calculate future maintainable profit? I have already given you the formula for calculation of future maintainable profit. Just check it. Average profit, जो expenses which are not incurred to be future add करना है, future income add करना है, and future expenses less करना है. Income अगर कोई future में नहीं मिलने वाला है तो वो less करना है. That is your FMP है. और base for FMP will be average profit, right? So अभी कैसे आएगा देखो ये problem के हिसाब से. We got the average profit. Now this will be your starting point. Average profit. You can make the table also, huh? Average profit. How much it is given? Average profit. Rupees 20,250. Okay. So now next adjustment is given. What they have given is remuneration to the proprietor. Okay. If he is not engaged in the business, he will get the remuneration of 4,000 in future. But now as he is engaged in business, he will not get that remuneration, which is his loss. So such type of expenses which he have to be, such type of income he will not get in future now, right? Because he is engaged in business. If he is not engaged in business, he is working somewhere else and he will get an income of 4,000, but now he will not get that remuneration, so that income will be less. So income not received in future, we have to be less. So remuneration of the proprietor, rupees, how much is given? Yes, 4,000. So as it is a minus, I am going to write it in the bracket, so it will be more easy to understand. Okay, so this will be your future. Apart from this, there is no other adjustment. So 20,250 minus 4,000. So what will be your future maintainable profit? माइनस कर सकते हो आप लोग. So this will be your future maintainable profit. Future maintainable this will be your future maintainable profit. How much? How much?
16,250.
16,250 will be your future maintainable profit. Now just put it in the formula. Okay. Super profit equal to 16,250. 16,250. Okay. 16,250 minus, now normal profit we have to be calculated, right? So how to calculate normal profit? For calculation of normal profit, we have already seen the formula. So let us write the formula for calculation of normal profit. So next will be normal profit equal to average capital employed into NRR divided by 100, or NRR divided by 100 into average capital employed. दोनों का मतलब सेम ही है, don't get confused, huh? So equal to capital employed is given. Yes, capital employed is given. How much? Capital employed is given. How much? Capital investment 1 lakh or 50,000. How much it is given? Check in your
50,000.
capital employed.
50,000.
50,000. Correct. So
Yes.
average capital employed is 50,000. What is the rate of NRR given in the problem? Rate of NRR given in the problem 10%. So into 10 divided by 100. So it will become 50,000 into 10 divided by 100. What will be the normal profit? What will be the normal profit? Use calculators. नहीं आता है तो 50,000 into 10 divided by 100.
5,000. 5,000.
Okay, so just put the amount here only. 16,250 minus normal profit 5,000. So what will be your super profit? What will be your super profit? 11,000. Correct na? 11,250. Your super profit will be 11,250. Correct? 16,000 minus 5,000. 11,250. So just put this amount here. 11,250. 11,250 into 3. How much will be the goodwill? Just make the multiplication.
1,250.
How much?
1,250.
How? 11,250 into 3.
33,750.
33,750.
33,750. Got it? See, जितना आपको formulas difficult लगा था, that much difficult नहीं है sums. Got it? Any doubt regarding this?
No, ma'am.